Hi everyone, I am Sarita Pamnan, your Jolly Phonics teacher. In the last two videos, I have done with you short vowels, consonant and long vowels so that you can understand the further videos of 42 letter sound. Now it's time to start the fourth group of 42 letter sound. Let's start with the first diagraph. A-I makes the sound of long vowel A. Why it's a diagraph? Because two vowels make a single sound. A-I and A makes the long vowel A. Okay. Now let's start with the short story. Alia has been having a trouble in her hearing. Whenever her mother speaks to her, she always put her hand on ear and said A. Her mother told, don't say A, you should say pardon. Yes, the sound of diagraph AI is A and the action of diagraph AI is A. So, let's see how to write letter AI on red and blue line book. AI makes the sound of A. AI makes the sound of long vowel A. AI makes the sound of first letter A. Because when two vowels are walking, the first vowel is talking and the second vowel is silent. Okay. Now let's listen the words corresponding to the pictures. Okay. What's this? Snail. Snail. What's this? Rain. Rain. What's this? Train. So, train. What's this? Ink. Is it related to letter sound of AI? No. So we cross out the picture. Let's blend the words. Rain. Rain. Tail. Tail. Pave. Pave. Snail. Snail. Okay. Let's sing a song. My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you say? So that's all for today. See you in my next video with a new letter. Till then, bye.